Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Remember, taking small steps towards a healthier diet can make a big difference in how your liver functions and how you feel overall. If you or someone you know is dealing with fatty liver disease or simply looking to promote liver health, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to uncover the top 5 foods that you should strictly avoid if you have a fatty liver. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about those foods that can hinder your liver's function and hinder your progress on the path to recovery. But hey, before we dive into our list, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our expert-backed health tips and insights. We're here to empower you to take charge of your well-being. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. Number 1. Say goodbye to those sugary temptations. You know the ones. Those mouth-watering desserts that seem to call your name and those bubbly sugary sodas that can be oh so refreshing. But here's the harsh truth. These treats might taste heavenly, but when it comes to your liver, they're far from being friendly. You see, when you have fatty liver disease, your liver's ability to process sugars gets compromised. Excessive sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, which means your body struggles to regulate blood sugar effectively. This, in turn, can contribute to the accumulation of fat in your liver, making your condition worse. Number 2. We're tackling the villains of the fast food world, processed and fried foods. Let's talk about a topic that's hard to resist. Processed and fried foods, the true villains of the fast food world. We get it. Those crispy, savory delights can be downright irresistible, offering a quick fix for your cravings. But here's the catch. While they might be satisfying your taste buds, they're also wreaking havoc on your liver. When you have fatty liver disease, your liver is already struggling to process fats efficiently. Consuming an excess of processed and fried foods only adds fuel to the fire. These foods are typically loaded with unhealthy fats, including trans fats and saturated fats, which can lead to inflammation and further damage your liver. Number 3. Our third offender on the list, highly processed grains. You know, those refined carbs like white bread and white rice? They might taste good, but they're not doing your liver any favors. Here's the deal. When your liver is dealing with fatty liver disease, it's extra sensitive to what you eat. Highly processed grains can cause your blood sugar to spike, and that's not cool for your liver. It can make your liver work harder and mess with your energy levels. Number 4. Number 4 on our list might be a tough one for some, but it's really important: alcohol. Whether it's a glass of wine, a cocktail, or a beer, it's time to understand how alcohol affects your liver, especially if you're dealing with fatty liver disease. Here's the scoop. When you have fatty liver, your liver is already working overtime to process fats. Alcohol adds an extra load to your liver's to-do list. It can lead to inflammation and even more fat buildup in your liver. Plus, alcohol can mess with how your liver breaks down toxins. Number 5. Alright, here we are at number 5, the grand finale, highly salted foods. You might not have seen this one coming, but excessive sodium can actually have a sneaky effect on your liver's well-being. So, let's dig into why it matters and how you can savor delicious meals without causing harm to your liver. When you're dealing with fatty liver disease, your liver is already under a bit of stress. Too much salt can add to that stress by causing fluid retention and inflammation. It's like giving your liver an extra puzzle to solve when it's already working hard. Remember, your liver is a powerhouse in your body, and taking care of it is a vital part of your overall well-being. So, if you're ready to give your liver the love it deserves, smash that like button and let's jump right into our list. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, your health is an investment, and every choice you make matters. Stay tuned for more empowering content, and until next time, take care and be well.